you find 10 words in 7 letters word? Is it possible to get 10 words in a single word without rearranging any of its letters? It's not a joke. I can do it. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Those who still don't like the pace or my channel, please do like, comment, and subscribe quickly. The magic word is daring. T-H-E-R-E-I-N. Daring. Without rearranging any of its letters. How to make those? Think about it. Your time starts now. Word number 1, T-H-E. The first 3 characters are T-H-E. It makes a word D. Word number 2. Think about first 5 characters. T-H-E-R-E. Word number 3. Look from the second letter to the third letter of the word is he, H-E. Similarly, we can make word number 4, 5, 6, and 7. They are her, here, air, green. Word number 8. Look at the last 2 characters. It's in, I-N-in. Similarly, last 6 characters make hearing at word number 9. Finally, word number 10. All characters make together a word and it's daring. So, finally, we found 10 words from a single word without rearranging any characters. If you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Bye.